He's not just going to give you the answer for your provision. He's not just going to provide, but He will go with you. Let me read to you Exodus 33. Here in this verse, it talks about how the Lord commanded the Israelites to leave Sinai because He wanted them to go to the land that He has promised them. But in verse 3, the Lord said to Moses, "Go up to a land flowing with milk and honey, but I will not go up among you, lest I consume you on the way, for you are a stiff-necked people." The only reason why the Lord said that was because in the chapter before that, in Exodus 32, it was the time that they built a golden calf. And the Lord wasn't just angry at His people. The Lord had to say that because He didn't want to strike them dead. Because as we continue to sing today, He is holy. And holy means that there is no one like our God. And if we profess and if we think that He is holy, then we must not allow anything else to be in comparison or even be at the same place as He is. And I want to invite everybody today to let the Holy Spirit examine our hearts. Even as we lift up a song of praise unto the Lord, let the Holy Spirit search our heart. Lord, is there anything inside of me? Is there anything in me, oh God, that is not pleasing before you? God, I pray that you remove it. Because more than the promise, I want you to dwell with me. I want you to dwell within us. I want you to dwell with me and my family. More than answering my prayers, I want to be with you, God. That is what the Lord desires from us today. And I want to tell you, church, that He doesn't just meet you when you're here physically. He can meet you where you are, but it takes a heart like Moses to intercede and say, in the same chapter, he went to his tent and he said unto the Lord, "Lord, see, you say to me, bring up the people, go to the land that you have promised, but you have not let me know who you will send with me. Yet you have said, I know you by name, and you have also found favor in my sight." Lord, niingon ka that you called me by my name, and I have found favor in your sight. Now therefore, if I have found favor in your sight, please, Lord, show me now your ways, that